I recommended someone who recently participated in a focus group and earned about $450 in just 75 minutes of her time. As a homemaker, you can make an extra $500 a month, and in this episode, I'll be showing you how. Now, whether you want to boost your family's finance, save for something special, or just enjoy a bit more financial freedom, earning extra income can make a big difference. My name is Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo. I am a homemaker according to the tenets of scriptures in Titus chapter 2, 3-5. I am the homemaker's personal growth coach and the blogger at Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo.com. As a homemaker myself, I understand the value of finding flexible income opportunities that fit into our busy schedule. I'll discuss a range of options, from freelance work to online businesses that you can explore to boost your monthly income. I'll share tips on how to manage your time effectively to balance your homemaking responsibilities with your new income generating activities. So please consider subscribing to the channel if you're watching on YouTube, and you can also find us on all social media platforms and other streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts. So let's get into today's episode. So number one would be join a focus group to make $100 a month. So focus groups basically provide market research like online surveys, and you can earn a lot of money as they are more specific, right? Now, these groups provide valuable market research for companies and are more specific in their requirements. I recommended someone who recently participated in a focus group and earned about $450 in just 75 minutes of her time. Now, while this payment would be higher than usual, typical focus groups pay anywhere from around $50 to about $100 per hour. Now, companies are constantly looking for feedbacks to improve their products and services. You could be giving your opinion on platforms like Pinterest, Spotify, Google, Home Depot, TripAdvisor, and more. Now, one company I highly recommend for finding focus group is user interviews. Based on your profile, they match you with relevant opportunities, and signing up is very, very easy. I'll be leaving a link to that in the description below. And if you're listening via the podcast, you can get the full show notes on my website, Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo.com. Another one will be selling printables on Etsy. You can easily make about, $10 to $50 with this. It's a very good side business, to earn extra from home. Now, with the rising popularities of printables on platforms like Etsy, homemakers have a golden opportunity to tap into this market. Printables offer a lucrative business model for homemakers because they only need to create each digital product once and can sell it an unlimited number of times. Now, once a printable is uploaded to Etsy, it becomes a passive source of income requiring minimal ongoing effort, right? The beauty of printables is their versatility. Homemakers like us can create a wide range of digital products to cater to different customer needs and preferences. Now, from grocery shopping checklists to printable quotes for wall art, the possibilities are endless. Moreover, creating printables allow, homemakers like us leverage our creativity and craft skills to produce unique and appealing designs, whether it's designing gift tags, candy bar wrappers, or intricate patterns. Homemakers can showcase, their talents and create products that resonate with their target audience. By selling printables on Etsy, we can turn our passion for creativity into profitable venture. Now, with the convenience of working from home and the potential of a passive income, printables offer homemakers a very flexible and rewarding side business opportunity for stay-home moms. Now, number three will be selling Canva templates. Now, this can easily make you about $5 to about $50 monthly. Selling Canva templates online can be particularly appealing to homemakers. They allow you to showcase your creativity and design skills in a meaningful way. Whether you have a background in graphics design or a self-taught enthusiast, creating Canva templates such as planners, ebooks, workbooks, and presentations, catering to different needs and audiences, providing a platform to express your talents. This side business is very flexible for, ideal stay-home moms managing busy schedules. You can work on your templates whenever you have free time, whether it's during nap time, in the evenings, or on weekends. You could potentially earn money from a few hundred to several $1,000s a month, right? So selling Canva templates online offers a scalable income opportunity. Now, once a template is created, it can be sold in an unlimited number of times without any additional effort. Over time, you can build a library of templates that generate passive income, providing financial stability and, that extra for the family. The online nature of the business means that you can reach a global audience. You can market your templates through social media, online marketplaces, and your own website or blog, essentially reaching customers from around the world. Now, number four thing that we can do do is proofread content. Now, this can make you anywhere between $10 to $300, depending on the length and the technicality of the content. If you enjoy finding errors in written content and are looking to make like an extra, say $500 to about $1,000 a month, proofreading could be an ideal opportunity for you as a homemaker. Now, whether you're seeking a side gig, proofreading offers flexibility and the ability to work from anywhere. Now, as a proofreader, you'll review and correct errors in various types of content, including articles, blog posts, advertisements, books, student papers, and emails. All you need, is your proofreading skill, which includes like familiarizing yourself with grammar, punctuation, and spelling rules. Online resources and style guides can also be very helpful. You will need an internet connection, of course, and a laptop or a computer or a tablet to get started. As a proofreader, you can set your own schedule and work from home, making it an ideal opportunity for stay-at-homes looking to supplement their income. Now, with the high demand for proofreading services, sites like Textbroker and Writer Access hire freelance proofreaders to work on various content projects. By honing your proofreading skills and leveraging your attention to detail, you can earn an extra, say, $500 a month while managing your household responsibilities as a homemaker. Now, number 5 will be selling items on Amazon. Of course, this can possibly make it from very good hundreds to real thousands every month. This might surprise you, but Amazon has many people who sell items and earn money from home. I'm sure it's no surprise. Many of them make a good amount of money doing so, and you can make this an extra source of income as well. Now, how do you start an Amazon selling business? First of all, you want to research and do your product selection. As a homemaker looking to start selling on Amazon, your journey begins with thorough research. Start by identifying a product niche that aligns with your interests and market demand. Consider products that are knowledgeable that you are knowledgeable about or you are passionate about, as this can give you a competitive edge. Now, you want to use Amazon itself to explore current bestsellers, trends, customer reviews to gauge demand and competition. Now, once you've identified a potential product, conduct detailed research to validate its viability. Consider factors such as manufacturing feasibility, sourcing options, pricing strategies, potential profit margins. Now, this stage is very crucial for laying a solid foundation for your business and ensuring that you can choose a product that has the potential to sell well on Amazon. Now, how do you set up your Amazon seller account? Number 1, you want to create a seller account, right? You can sign up as, at Amazon Seller Central, either as an individual seller or professional seller, depending on your business goals and scale. Individual sellers, this option is suitable for you if you plan to sell fewer than 40 items per month. It charges a per item fee plus closing fee. Now, for a professional seller, the plan costs about $39.99 per month, but it includes, benefits like bulk listing, and access to Amazon advertising platform. Now, during the account setup process, you will need to provide essential information such as your business name, address, contact details, and payment information. Make sure to complete all required fields accurately to avoid any delays in getting your account approved. Now, the next will be product sourcing and preparation. With your product chosen and your seller account set up, the next step is to source your products. Depending on your chosen product, you may opt to source directly from manufacturers or wholesalers, or consider private labeling. Research suppliers carefully to ensure they can meet your quality standard and delivery timelines. Then you want to also research your manufacturer or supplier. Look for reputable suppliers through online directories like Alibaba, attend trade shows, and explore local manufacturing options if feasible. Next will be private labeling. This involves basically branding generic products with your own label, allowing you to create a unique identity and potentially higher profit margin. Prepare your product listing very thoughtfully. Craft compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of your product. Use high quality images that showcase your product from various angles, incorporating relevant keywords into your product title and descriptions to improve visibility on Amazon search results. Now, the 4th will be inventory management and fulfillment. After all of this, decide on your fulfillment strategy. Amazon offers 2 primary options for fulfillment by Amazon, which is Amazon stores your products in their warehouse and handles packaging, shipping, customer service. This option can save you time and streamline your operations, basically. Now, the second is self-fulfillment. You manage the storage, packaging, shipping of your own products by yourself. This can be cost-effective for smaller businesses or products with unique handling requirements. Whichever option you choose, effective inventory management is crucial. So you want to monitor stocks level regularly to avoid stockouts and ensure timely replenishment. Utilize Amazon's inventory management tools to track inventory, set reorder points, and manage shipments efficiently. Number 5, then you launch and market your product. When launching your product on Amazon, consider implementing a strategic marketing plan to attract initial sales and generate momentum. Now, your launch strategy could be offer promotional discounts or bundles to encourage early purchase, encourage friends, family, and social network to leave reviews to build credibility. Another one to use is Amazon PPC, right? You can use Amazon's pay-per-click advertising platform to target relevant keywords and drive traffic to your product listing. Now, beyond Amazon, you can promote your product using social media platforms, email marketing, content marketing, build an online presence that resonates with your target audience and direct traffic to your Amazon listing. Now, by picking up any of these side businesses while at home, you can easily start earning an extra $500 a month from the comfort of your home as a homemaker. Let me hear it in the comment section if you're on YouTube, which of the ideas resonates with you the most and which of them you'll be trying out. Now, if you're listening via podcast, you can leave a comment as well. Don't forget to share this episode with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and here is to your success in reaching your financial goal as a homemaker. I still believe that stay-home moms can do well with, managing the home and at the same time, looking for means to, financially boost themselves, either because you are building a business from scratch that you intend to put more into by the time you get to your empty nest phase, or you're just doing in the interim just to get more money in your hands. Whichever way it is, ensure that you are using your spare time to do something for adding value to others and of course adding more money into your pocket. Now, until the next episode, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Godspeed. Success, as we know it, is the compounded effect of the everyday steps we take towards a main goal. One of the things that gives peace and mental clarity while homemaking is putting the empty nest season clearly before our eyes. Taking baby steps at the moment while still on the journey of making and keeping the home towards that season is an important aspect of self-care most people overlook. It strengthens the intentionality that goes into making every moment you have right now count. My blog, Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo.com, helps young women navigate their homemaking season in view of the empty nest phase. From ebooks to short courses on time management for homemakers to parenting, finances, and building small businesses while at home, there is plenty to keep you learning and growing while you create the warm, loving space that your family needs to thrive. I am also a local SEO specialist dedicated to helping small businesses like yours stand out in your community. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, you can employ my services to amplify your online presence. With 7 years of experience in search engine optimization, I know the ins and the outs of getting your business noticed online. You can book a free consultation or free Google Business Profile Page audit on Aneta, Elisha-Oladejo.com to get started today.